YouTube, what's going on? Kyle with ePoolSupply. Today we are back to walk you guys through these tires for a variety of Hayward cleaners and the colors and varieties that these humps can come in. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So again, today we're going to go over the variety of tires that Hayward actually supplies for their entire line of cleaners. So if you're cleaner, if you got a Hayward cleaner and any of the cleaners actually use these kind of rubber slotted wheels that they have with these little humps on them, this will actually work for you. So you do want to remember that when you're dealing with their pressure side cleaners like the Trivac 500 or 700, the additional wheels that those have on there cannot use these humped tires. So you're going to want to use just a flat, no hump tire, because in order for it to fit inside the frame and function correctly with the cleaner, these humps will not work. Whereas the front tires and different varieties of tires that they actually have on the Pool Vernugans, the AquaNauts, the Poolvacs, like all the different 2 or 4 wheel cleaners that they have that use these same style wheels, you can actually hot swap these based off of your application. So normally stock, they'll just put a single hump tire on here, which as you can see is this same tire that I have in front of me. It's just a single knob on both tires. So you normally want to have them, you know, installed a little bit separate on here. So as the gear set turns inside the cleaner and the wheels are rotating, as it hits this hump, it actually will lift the cleaner up. So if you have an older style drain that sticks up above the surface of the pool and you're worried about this thing getting stuck on it, all you need to do is upgrade the hump size on your tire, because then that way when it actually gets there, if it gets stuck, it'll actually hit these humps. So I'm going to rotate this over for you guys to see the distance you get. So it'll actually lift it up, so then that way you can get over the edge of whatever it's stuck on. So the traditional one is going to work for a variety of different things in your pool, whether it be, you know, volleyball holders or different types of sleeves, or even just smaller, kind of more low profile drains. The standard tile will work. But if for whatever reason you need to go over a much larger style drain, they actually sell these in a variety of colors as well. So you've got your typical light blue, you've got a like navy blue, which they call just blue, and then they have the black. And then depending on if you have the limited edition gray editions of any of these, they do sell a gray tire to go along with that cleaner as well. So the 3 I got in front of me here are just the dark blue, the light blue, and the black. But as I said, they do sell a gray as well in the variety of hump sizes. So I get a kick out of the way that they call these. So these are the black super humps. So depending on the size of drain or obstacle that you're worried about getting stuck on, you can actually go with a bigger style knob on the end here, which will give it a bigger lift to get over the edge of whatever may be in your way. So again, the typical one that comes on it is just a smaller knob. It gives it just a little jump. So just if it gets stuck on minor things, this will work really great for you. And then they also have a really low profile. So if you don't really have any kind of obstacles for it, they actually just call this one a finger hump, which is just one extra strand of their design here is a little bit longer. And then 2 are just a little bit bigger. So you get just a little bit more lift, so that as it turns, it just kind of barely pops over. So really cool design that they did with that. Definitely helps eliminate getting stuck on anything in your pool. So definitely give them props on that. I do love their different names that they call them. You've got just a standard hump, and then you get a super hump, and then you get the super hump, and then they also have just the finger hump, and then they also have a solid tire, where instead of actually having the distance, the maneuverability, excuse me, in these, this is just all solid. So depending on the surface of your pool, it may actually work better for you. But definitely a nifty thing that Hayward did. I definitely give them props on that. And I love that they give you a variety of colors and stuff. So based off of whatever cleaner you got, you can actually purchase to match your cleaner, which is really cool. So overall, definitely recommend staying OEM for all your Hayward stuff. You don't want to buy these aftermarket wheels. They tend to deteriorate a lot faster, as well as get really gunky and can put stuff back in your pool that you don't really want. So definitely buy OEM. Check out all the links below. We've actually got links for all these different style tires, so that way you can upgrade or maintain the cleaner that you have. Again, in all different colors. So if you guys got any questions, please make sure you drop them down in the comments below. Today we went over the different variety of hump styles that they have on the tires for Hayward cleaners. Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.